Question 1. In a series circuit containing 3 resistors, if the resistance of one resistor increases while the source voltage remains constant, what happens to the total current in the circuit? A. Total current decreases. B. Total current increases. C. Total current remains the same. The answer is A. Total current decreases. Remember, resistance is the gatekeeper of flow. If you increase the resistance, you choke off the current. Question 2. What is the primary purpose of a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI? A. It protects the circuit from overcurrent conditions like short circuits. B. It detects imbalances between the ungrounded and grounded conductors. C. It maintains a constant voltage level for sensitive electronic equipment. The answer is B. It detects imbalances between the ungrounded and grounded conductors. A GFCI is like a smart accountant. It wants to make sure that every amp that leaves the source comes back. If some of that current leaks out, like through a person, the GFCI trips to keep them safe. Question 3. When a conductor gets hot under load, how does its resistance change? A. Resistance increases. B. Resistance decreases. C. Resistance remains constant. The answer is A. Resistance increases. Most metals have a positive temperature coefficient. As they heat up, the atoms vibrate more, making it harder for electrons to pass through. That's why heat management is so critical in your installations. Question 4. When measuring the voltage drop across a load in a live circuit, how should your multimeter be connected? A. In series with the load. B. In parallel with the load. C. Across the circuit breaker. The answer is B. In parallel with the load. You are measuring the potential difference between 2 points, so you place your leads across the component, not in the path of the current. Question 5. Why is it vital to ensure that your electrical terminations are tight? A. To increase the total circuit voltage. B. To prevent the circuit from creating an open loop. C. To minimize contact resistance and prevent heat buildup. The answer is C. To minimize contact resistance and prevent heat buildup. Loose connections create hot spots. That extra resistance turns your terminal into a heating element, which is a leading cause of electrical fires.
Which device is used to measure insulation resistance? Answer: Meager. What is the purpose of the fuse in a circuit? Answer: Protection. What is the action taken to repair equipment that has failed or down? Answer: Corrective maintenance. What is the reason why we use flux during soldering? Answer: To prevent metal oxidation. We use blank caliper for finding shaft center. Answer: Vernier caliper. What screw or bolt to prevent gear from slipping? Answer: Seat screw. The gear blank is one gear is divided by the number of teeth with the other gear. Answer: Gear ratio. You are measuring 480 volts in a 3-phase system and the test prod on one line and the other test prod on the ground. How much voltage read on multimeter? Answer: 277 volts. What is low to mean in electrical safety? Answer: Lockout tagout. What is meant by I/O card on the PLC or programmable logic controller? Answer: Input-output card. Which medium is incompressible, hydraulic or pneumatic? Answer: Hydraulic. Reduced friction is the primary reason for lubrication. What is NPT stand for? Answer: National Pipe Thread. Steam trap is used to discharge. Answer: Condensation. The analog input-output signals, discrete or continuous signal? Answer, continuous. What type of signal is the 4 to 20 milliampere? Answer, analog signal. The 40B12 sprocket, how many teeth? Answer, 12. When measuring screw pitch, which tool do you use? Answer, thread gauge. What is meant by SPDT and DSPT switch? Answer, SPDT stands for single pole double through and DSPT stands for double pole single through. Question number 1. What type of maintenance when servicing equipment and replacing parts to prevent failure? Answer, preventive maintenance.